Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the table and getting precise measurements so your wallpaper fits without surprises. First, clear and clean the surface thoroughly. Any dust or grease prevents adhesion. Measure length and width, then add about 2 cm overlap on each edge so you can wrap corners. Cut panels now, aligning pattern repeats so seams match. Once cut, label panels front, back, and orientation. You'll save time and avoid recuts later, making the actual pasting step smooth and accurate. You'll now apply adhesive and set the wallpaper in place with steady hands. Choose spray adhesive for quick grip or paste for heavier papers. Follow product directions. Apply a uniform coat, avoid heavy puddles, and let tack develop if required. Position the panel starting at one edge, align the pattern, then press toward the opposite edge. Smooth with a soft squeegee and overlapping strokes to force out air and adhesive. Make sure to keep pressure consistent to prevent ridges and trapped bubbles. You finish by securing edges, trimming precisely, and sealing for long life. Fold and glue or tape the extra 2 cm under the tabletop, press firmly, then trim flush with a sharp blade at a low angle. Lightly sand or use a clear sealer on seams to protect against wear. If bubbles or wrinkles appear, you can gently lift to re-squeegee, apply more adhesive, or use a hair dryer on low to relax the paper before smoothing. For persistent lifts, add small hidden tacks or re-glue the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.